Yes, I'm about to create a mouthpiece for this didgeridoo, this time out of beeswax. And yeah, I made this didgeridoo. This is a piece of beeswax I'm gonna use for putting it up here so that I can play it, and soon I'm gonna play it. But to get the beeswax in the right sort of consistency so that you can mold it and that it doesn't melt is I put it in this sort of like metal container and let it sit there pretty much in the sun. So then it's just perfect temperature and it's like deep inside, not just the edges. Beautiful didgeridoo, eh? Yeah, beauty. Used my hands to sort of make it into a smiley face. And now I'm gonna put it together, and then sort of in the middle it will be 3.5 millimeters. Correction, 3 millimeters. Centimeters? It's a lot of experimentation, you know, with doing basically anything that you've not done before, and I've never done this before. And so I use this kind of tool and measured it out, and it seems to be the right size, and I'll show you what I'll do with it. I'm basically gonna push this towards it, and I'm gonna show you the result. Getting there, after a lot like pushing like this, it's a little bit like birth. It's still not there, but it'll get there. And yeah, creating and making didgeridoos, by the way, it's a little bit like, it's a very focused exercise. It's still a little bit on the small side, but the next step I will open it a little bit from the inside, and then I'll push it on there. Yeah, after I pulled out the phallic thing, looks like that. Push this on here. Oof, I did it. And now I'm gonna smooth it out. And now you sort of like finger your way through, like that. Open it up, open it up. So now I'm exactly at 3 millimeters. And no, I didn't plan that. I just found that tool in the kitchen. Really helpful. It's a mortar grinder, so just for your information. Check it out. So now just final touches to make it look pretty, and then I can play it. Oh. I'll call it done here. So this is the first time this didgeridoo is played. Keep in mind that it will be very high pitched actually, and it's not going to be tuned into any particular tune. This is it. This is what you'll get, or what I'll get. And let's see how it sounds. Oh my God, I love it. I love it. Does Buddha love it too?